Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this series, I will teach you how to speak English fluently in just 30 days. In the previous videos, we learned the English alphabet, basic English grammar, adjectives and adverbs, prepositions and pronouns. In this sixth video, we will learn how to use common English phrases in everyday conversation. Let's get started.
Hi, honey. How was your day?
It was fine, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. I had a lot of work to do, but I managed to finish it on time.
That's good. Do you want to watch a movie tonight?
Sure, why not? What do you have in mind?
Well, I heard that the new Spider-Man movie is out. Do you want to see it?
I'm not really into superhero movies. How about something else?
Okay, then how about the new comedy with Will Smith? I heard it's hilarious.
That sounds better. Let's go for it.
Great! I'll make some popcorn and get ready.
Okay, see you in a bit.
Phrases are groups of words that have a specific meaning or function. Examples of phrases are how are you? What's up? And nice to meet you. Phrases can help you communicate more effectively and naturally in English. Here is another example of a conversation with common English phrases that you can use to greet someone. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Bob.
Hello, I'm Alice. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What do you like to do in your spare time? I like to play guitar and watch movies.
That's cool. I like to paint and listen to music.
Do you have any paintings to show me?
Sure, I have some in my phone. Here, take a look.
Wow, you are very artistic.
Oh, thank you. By now, you are able to use common English phrases confidently and correctly in your everyday speech. Keep practicing speaking English everywhere. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to speak English fluently in just 30 days.